Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Pixel 6 Pro case, Stormy Sky, for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This case was sent to me in that very nice packaging right over here, along with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, if you haven't seen the unboxing, please go check it out, because it's not just a regular unboxing. That's actually going to happen in that specific video that I've uploaded for all of you to watch. But the intro, it's the intro, folks. It's a tribute to hashtag Team Pixel and the Pixel smartphone series. My way of saying thank you to Google for giving me the opportunity to represent. Now, you get 4 color choices for 29 smacks, which is basically $29. You get Sword of Sage, there's Stormy Sky, Light Frost, Golden Glow, which is a Google Store exclusive. 29 smacks. Not too bad for a case that is pretty darn solid. And you do have some lip that are going to surround the cameras, and we'll get to that in just a second. But the sides are super solid, got a little bit of flex. And yeah, it's got plenty of thickness. And again, it could be more minimal, but it's not. And so I'm really, really happy about that. In case I was to drop it on the ground, man, nothing's guaranteed. But if there's going to be some damage, I would love for it to be very minimal. And I would consider screen protectors too. And with that huge camera layout there, I would protect that too. And you can see I have a glass screen protector there. And on the front, I have a film screen protector already on there. Let me get a close up here. I don't know if you can see the edge right there. I will leave some information down below in the description area for these screen protectors. You get 2, and you get 2 glass screen protectors for the camera area. And I will leave the price point down below in the description area as well, along with that link, because I can't remember it right now. It's either way, hit that link and you'll find out all the information that you need to know. So we'll go ahead and put this over here. So you can see that there's plenty of lip at the bottom and at the top, and along with my glass screen protector, I got enough protection there that I'm not going to worry at all. And it has a nice soft grip to it, and you can see the power button and volume rocker, they are covered up. Okay, I'm not going to try those areas out because I agreed not to. At the bottom, we have a cutout for the speaker grill, cutout for your USB Type-C charging port area, and a cutout right there for the mic. Up top, we have a cutout right there for the other mic, and you have your power button, volume rocker, nicely covered up and protected. And you have a recessed area right there for the combo earpiece and speaker. As far as the lip surrounding this beautiful AMOLED display, you have a lot of lip at the bottom and at the top, and it kind of comes down right here on both sides. A little bit of a curve to the display, but it's not that curvy. Okay, just enough. It just slightly curves. Very simple to put on the screen protector. No issues whatsoever with that slight curve. But you're going to have that lip there, and you're going to have some lip down here, a little bit of depth. So if you set it down on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, again, I would use a screen protector. You're going to be fine, but please use your discretion. If you go this route, you got that lip right in here and right in there, top bottom, and it's not going to rock at all with the way that aesthetic design of the camera is, because it goes all the way across. It's symmetric, and I love that. And so it's just gonna lay there on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, but you're gonna have a little bit of a lift right here, but it's not going to rock. So there you go. It's a very nice looking case. Totally digging it. I love the color. Again, you have 3 other color choices: Sword of Sage for 29 smacks, Light Frost for 29 smacks, Golden Glow, Google's exclusive case for 29 smacks. If you want to pay $1 more, you can get that over at Best Buy. I didn't check out Amazon, but I will check it out and see if these cases are over there. And if so, I'll leave a link there. But yeah, no, I'm digging the case, digging the smartphone, the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Again, a huge shout out to hashtag Team Pixel. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comments section. I will answer what I can. Okay. Now, if you're watching this video after the 25th, go ahead and ask me questions that I can answer, and I will do that. So with that, thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.